Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So today's video we are going to look at Nifty PSU Bank breakout. But before getting into the video, this is my channel Financial Independence. Here I do post about IPO analysis, sector analysis, Bank Nifty analysis, post market report analysis, sector wise analysis எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். So already I had posted some videos on this. Earlier videos, you can use this for your learning and investment purpose or knowledge purpose. So again, coming to Nifty PSU banks, I had posted an earlier video in the month of May. May month around May 13th when I posted a video which is about PSU banks breakout. So in continuation to that, I am posting another video today again because it is again back to the same levels. So this is the May month candle. We were discussing about that in close to 2100 levels. நம்ம discuss பண்ணிருந்தோம் நினைக்கிறேன். So 10th May, so 13th May I had posted. So when it was 2225. So in the level we discussed on that. It made a breakout, it took resistance, again it took a retracement. Then again the last 4 weeks மேல touch ஆயிட்டு fall ஆச்சு. But now again this week is showing us a pullback, a breakout is happening. So now it is time to keep this in radar. So above 2580 levels, I am expecting Nifty PSU Bank should rally till 2800 and 3000 levels. So this is my guesstimate, maybe disclaimer, I am wrong. But the technical analysis chart shows that it is on the breakout, verge of breakout. So please keep this in radar. 2580 ke mala, it should sustain 2800 and 3000 levels. It should come in the upcoming days. Upcoming sessions or weeks or months. So, but once it is about 2580, please keep this in radar. SBAM, let me show on the daily chart. So, it attained 420 levels in the month of February. Next, it made a retracement till 320 levels or 100 points fall ஆயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ currently again back to 440 levelsல இருக்கு. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா அரௌண்ட் 2nd ஜூன்ல இருந்து இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ்ட் Thursday வரைக்கும் it was hovering around this area. Thursday வந்து it gave a breakout above 440, but it could not sustain that level. It fell down on the Friday. So above 42,580 and Nifty PSU banks, State Bank should start rallying upside on the 450 levels. So when it happens, all the PSU banks should start rallying, because if you see the recent quarterly, a report on the profit and sales, it is looking good for the entire PSU banks that it is going to give a upside because the rural demands have raised. If you see now, the infrastructure stocks are moving, cement stocks are moving. So rural and infrastructure demand for the loans is getting risen, and most of the banks have started recollecting or their payments from the earlier NPAs or non-performing assets are getting repaid. So அந்த மாதிரி நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. So this is the right time to accumulate or keep this in radar for the future accumulation. So இப்போ I earlier gave a indication for Bank of Baroda that if it does not sustain above 77 levels, so less chances I said. So if it sustain above this, does not sustain, it will come back to 67 to 70 levels சொல்லியிருந்தேன். But again, now it is sustaining this 100 days moving average. It made a top. அதுக்கு அடுத்து ஒரு bullish candle கொடுத்துருந்துச்சு, bullish engulfing கொடுத்துருந்துச்சு. But again a small doji candle patternல இருக்கு. Now if it sustains above 82, for new investors, please enter above 82. For existing investors or long-term investors, if you wanted to accumulate, you can add up a small quantity here, but not if you are, if you are planning for 100 quantities, you can add up some 30 quantities or 20 quantities here, because it should sustain this level. If it does not sustain, I am expecting this to come till 70, but chances are more on the upside. But let's see and wait how the market reacts. So if it comes to this level, you can add up here. Otherwise, new investors can come here. Add up here on the start your fresh investments on the 82 level. Existing investors can add up on the 82 levels. I mean, like another, if you add here 20% or 30%, you can add another 20-30% here. And if you see Nifty PSU Bank is about 2,580 and SBN is above 450 levels, and all other banks will also start moving, so that you can add your remaining quantities or accumulate on the remaining quantities. So this is an indication for that, or levels for that. Please note that. Canara Bank. So these banks, Canara Bank, Central Bank, almost have recovered their pending dues or loans. So that is reflecting in their quarterly reports also, which is highly which is highly positive for the banks. So I think Canara Bank, I think so. Canara Bank, it has already recovered, almost recovered complete. I mean, like the dues or loans from Vijay Malaya. That was the recent news I studied some time ago. So you can see this. This is a very bullish candle, a fall, again a piercing candle, bullish candle, and then again started to move up. So Canara Bank is highly bullish, again above 152.53. I'm expecting 165 levels soon. So 165 above, there is a huge upside waiting. I'm expecting 200 to 200 plus on the upside. So Canara, I mean, like the PUC Bank, entire PUC Bank structure is looking very bullish. PNB, you can see it made a fall and then it started moving up. The retracement levels as per harmonics are completed. Now it should start moving above 40, 41. It should easily move to 46 levels very soon. The moves will be aggressive. IDBI, it is almost in the verge of breakout. Central Bank, I am waiting for another 2 to 3 points downside. Let's see. Maharashtra Bank, Bank of India. So all the banks in the PSU are looking bullish. So if you see the Canara Bank now, if you look at the latest results on that, Canara Bank opened at 149 and it made a high of 153. 153. So this is how the banks are bullish. So this is not my recommendation again. This is for learning purpose. So please make your please make your investment on your own analysis, and please calculate the risks and rewards before investment. So if you need any further clarities or queries on this, please post in the comment section. I will clarify you. I had given some levels on the for my group. If you need, I can share that in the comment section if you ping me separately. Yeah, hope this content is useful, and if this content is useful, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Bye.